What if I told you that you could start making real money in 2026 using nothing but Google Maps and AI without any prior marketing experience or crazy tech skills? All you need is a laptop and an internet connection, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. This is one of the most simple and overlooked business opportunities in 2026. And the best part is, almost anyone can do it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to use Google Maps to find these businesses that desperately need your help and offer them a simple AI powered solution and get paid again and again. It's the same business model that I use to profit daily from home, and the same one that I've shown to hundreds of others who are currently having success with it. You don't need crazy tech skills or upfront cash. It's simple and it works. Now, I'm not here to sell you anything. I don't have some $997 course to sell you. All I ask is this: if you get value from this video, just smash that like button, share this video with a friend who might find it valuable, and comment down below. And I'll shoot you over a private link to everything. A full step-by-step course on my templates, scripts, and even an extended 30-day free trial to the AI software that powers this whole thing, 100% for free. So if you've been tired lately, financially stressed, living paycheck to paycheck, this might be the moment that shifts everything for you. And by the end of this video, you're going to know how to use Google Maps to find local businesses, offer them a simple AI-powered solution, and get paid every single month, even if you've never made a single dollar online before. So let's get into it. So what we're doing here is simple. We're finding small local business owners, and no, we're not running Facebook ads or doing SEO or doing nothing like that. This is something completely different. And if you hang on with me for a second, I'll show you exactly how it works. So again, we're looking for small local business owners, real businesses that you already interact with. Your hairstylist, your electrician, your plumber, any small local business that depends on new clients to survive. And what we do is we set them up with a very straightforward software solution that helps them get more customers automatically. You set it up once and you let the AI do its thing. We charge $300 to $500 per month per client, not $1,500 or $2,000 like all the agency gurus will tell you, because most small business owners simply can't afford that price point. And even if they buy it once, they usually cancel within a few months. And that forces you to constantly chase clients to stay afloat. But with this model, at the $300 to $500 a month price point, that's something they can actually afford. And because it genuinely helps their business, they keep paying you every month. And here's where it gets good. You don't start over at zero every month. Each client turns into $300 to $500 a month in recurring revenue that stacks. It starts to compound and snowball. So you're not starting at the beginning of the month at zero, and you've got room to breathe. So now let me show you exactly how to use Google Maps to find the right clients and what services to offer them. All right, so we're gonna head over to Google Maps, and I'm gonna type in plumbers in Fort Worth, Texas. And you can target basically anywhere in the world as long as you speak the language. But for this example, we're using Fort Worth, Texas. Now, right at the top, you're gonna see all the sponsored companies. Those are just the ones paying to show up at the top there. We're not interested in those. What we care about is everything below that, because these results are ranked heavily by review count and review quality. And reviews matter, because 93% of consumers check reviews before buying anything. And that's where you come in. You offer to install a system that automatically follows up with every customer and nudges the happy ones to leave a 5-star review and privately filters out the negative ones. The result: higher rankings, more calls, more money. And the business owner never has to think about it again. Okay, so who are we not looking for? You're not looking for a business with a ton of reviews already. So for example, we've got Benjamin Franklin Plumbing. They've got, 2,300 reviews, 4.8 stars. You've got Clearwater Plumbers. They've got 1,200 reviews at 4.8 stars. Those guys are already stacked. They don't need us, and they're not gonna buy the service. So we keep scrolling, because down the list is where the opportunity is. So we keep scrolling and we look for businesses that have fewer than 50 reviews and are rated 4 stars and above. Why 4 stars and above? Because they're doing a good job and their customers love them, but they don't have enough volume to compete in their market. So even if they do amazing work, they're buried under companies that have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 reviews. Just think about it. A business with 29 reviews is never gonna outrank a business with 3,000 reviews. And out of those two businesses, who do you think gets more calls? The business with 29 reviews or the business with 1,000 reviews? Now imagine that you tell that business owner with 29 reviews, hey, I can help you get 20 to 30 new 5-star reviews every single month automatically. It's an obvious yes. So we scroll further down through the results and you start seeing companies with much lower review counts. You got Trusty Plumber Fort Worth. It's only got 45 reviews, but it's 5 stars. You've got Blue Diamond Plumbing of Texas, only 30 reviews. And here's another one, One Hat Plumbing, Heating and Air, 77 reviews. Again, 5 stars though. These businesses are exactly who you're looking for. So we're gonna give them a call, and here's the pitch. Hey, I noticed you guys have great ratings, but you don't have a lot of reviews. I help local businesses collect more reviews automatically from customers they've already served. That way you show up higher on Google and get more calls. I'd love to show you how it all works. Is that something you're open to? And here's how I explain the value to them when I'm on that call. You just go, hey, John, quick question. How many customers did you guys help last month? And just for the example, let's just say they say 60 or 70. You go, cool, John, out of those 60 or 70 satisfied customers, how many of them left a review? And they'll say something like 5, 10. And so you'll just go, hey, John, so that's 50 happy customers that never said a word. And that's 50 opportunities to rank higher, get more calls, and bring in new business to just slip through cracks. That's real money walking out the door. And then what you tell them is, you go, here, John, what I do is set up a system that automatically follows up with every customer, nudges the happy ones to leave a review, and filters out the bad ones so they never hit your Google profile. It runs in the background and you don't ever have to touch a thing. Simple, straightforward, value-driven. And once you get that business owner to say yes, what we're going to do is head over to the software here, and I'm going to walk you through how this works. You don't need to build anything from scratch. You're going to use this white labeled AI-powered software to automate this entire process. This isn't a complicated system. You're not coding anything. You're not building a website. You're just plugging their business into this tool and letting it run. So the first thing we're going to do is connect their Google My Business profile. This is where their reviews live and where we want the new ones to go. So you're literally just going to press connect and have the business owner log into their Google Business profile and select their business. And once it's connected, the software automatically pulls in their existing reviews and sets up tracking. Now we just head over to settings, and next we're setting up automated review requests. And this is what makes the system so powerful. It follows up with every customer without the business owner ever having to lift a finger. You can just go to SMS review requests and enable this. Figure out when you want to send this customized message. Same thing with emails here. And here's what happens after the customer visits the business. They get a friendly text or email asking for a review. If they're happy, they go straight over to Google to leave their 5-star review. If not, it directs them back over to the business owner without the customer leaving a bad review. So not only is this building the reputation online, it's actually protecting them. And to make this even better, we're going to leverage AI to automate the review responses without the business owner needing to do anything. So we just click auto responses, go over here, click 4 stars and above, figure out how much time you want to wait before responding, say 9 minutes. This makes the business look engaged, professional, and on top of customer feedback without them spending hours managing it. And that's it. The system's set. You're done. Every happy customer gets nudged to leave a 5-star review now. Negative feedback stays private, and the business's reputation keeps improving every single day, leading to more 5-star reviews, more calls, more customers, more money. And that's why clients keep paying you every single month. Because once this is working, they're not going to want to turn it off. So let's zoom out. What you've done is built a done-for-you system that improves a business's reputation on autopilot. You set it up once and it runs in the background 24/7. You can charge anywhere between $300 to $500 a month for this. And a lot of people are stacking this with bolt-on services like database reactivation. But just this one thing, automated reviews, is enough to get your foot in the door and start earning consistent monthly income. So anyway, I hope this helped you see how easy it is to launch this kind of side hustle from home. And seriously, it takes just 5 minutes to set everything up. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need to have a marketing background. Everything I just showed you, you can literally do it right from your laptop, step by step. And if you want my free course, plus a 30-day free trial to the AI software we're using to run this whole thing, just smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who might find this valuable, and comment down below. And I'll send you a private link to unlock everything, 100% for free. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.